everyone. Myself Smaranika of class 7. I am a student of Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. So, today, me and my friends are going to explain about the topic nutrition in humans. So, first I will explain about my part and the rest will be explained by my friends. So, first I will tell you about the food canal or alimentary canal. So, when we take food inside our mouth, from the mouth it passes through a number of organs. These organs together form the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is also called the food canal or the digestive tract. It is a long and coiled tube. It consists of 7 organs and they are mouth cavity, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And the alimentary canal and the associated glands together form the digestive system. So this was my part and the rest will be explained by my friends.
Hi, myself Sajida. Now I am going to explain my part of the presentation with this mouth. The food is taken from the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called injection. The mouth contains the tongue, the teeth and the salivary glands. The teeth helps in breaking down the bigger particles into smaller by the process of chewing and mastication. Thank you.
At last, I am Samim explaining the ending part of our presentation, that is saliva. Saliva is a watery substance that is present in our mouth. The juices present in saliva help in chemical digestion of stretch into sugar. After the food is broken into smaller pieces, it is swelled down through food pipe or esophagus and enters the digestive system. Thank you.
I hope you all liked our presentation.
Thank you.